DULLB 2022 application process has begun from April 6 onwards. University of Delhi has enabled the online application link for LLB courses on its website, du.ac.in. The entrance exam dates of DULLB 2020 are yet to be announced. In this video, we will show you how to apply for DULLB 2022 admissions. Before proceeding to apply for DULLB, candidates can take a note of what is required for filling up the application form. The documents required for online application are passport size photograph, scanned signature, a self-attested valid ID proof, a self-attested class 10th certificate, a self-attested caste certificate. Now to apply for DULLB 2022 entrance exam, candidates first need to go to DU website, which is du.ac.in. There candidates will find Admission 2022-23 link to apply for LLB course. On this page, candidates have to click on the PG Admissions link to apply for the LLB course. Once you click, the registration form will open up. Candidates have to read the instructions including eligibility and specification for documents to be uploaded. So if you have all the documents in the required specification, the next step is to click on New Registration to apply as a fresh applicant. The registration form will open up and candidates can take a tour on how to register with the help of registration button. Next, they need to fill in the required details including email address, phone number, category, date of birth, etc. Once clicking on the register button, a new page will open up where candidates have to fill in their basic personal details and upload all the required documents. With this step, DULLB 22 registration will get completed. Now candidates need to apply for LLB course admission, and for this they need to click on apply link given on their dashboard. In the apply section, candidates have to complete 4 steps, that is filling up of academic details, other preferences, preview the application form and fee payment. In the first step, candidates have to fill in their educational details, that is class 12th marks, qualifying degree marks, name of the college last attended, and select the program applying for from the drop-down list. Then the candidates have to select at least 3 cities as their preferred exam centers as per the location nearest to them. Next, click on Declaration and save the application after cross-checking the information filed. In the second step, Other Preferences, candidates have to choose from Campus Law Center 1 and Law Center 2 as per their preferences and click on Submit button. In the next step, candidates have to preview their filled application form. It will be the last chance to modify your details. If all the details in application form are correct, then candidates can proceed to pay the application fee. Click on Pay Fee button to make fee payment. The details of application fee according to category will appear on the screen and candidates need to click on Payment Gateway to complete this step. Next, in the Payment Gateway, candidates can select their mode of payment and complete the transaction. On successful payment, a confirmation message will appear and candidates can proceed to download their submitted application form. With this step, the DULLB 2022 application process will be complete. In case you have more queries on application form or you want to share your feedback on this video, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe us.